Hello there, this is Carlos from Impero Agency, and today we're going to do some outreach work together. So yeah, basically in the last few weeks, I have been conducting a SMS outreach strategy, which is performing really well. Got a few appointments because I'm redefining my skills of appointment setting and so on, but at least it's what I have for now. So basically what I'm targeting now is washing pressure companies in Houston, Texas, basically to offer my AI automation services for the client acquisition, blah, blah. So now we're only talking about outreach. So what I do is to collect numbers from Google, basically with some techniques. Then with other techniques, I do see if the number is a mobile number or a landline. Since we're sending SMS, there's no sense at all to send a message to a fixed line. And after that, I just make, how can I say it, like bunch of batches of numbers to send every single day. So to be as human as possible and to do it correctly. So I have divided into more campaigns. What I want to apply for this week, because what I did in the last weeks is to wake up in the morning early. I'm living in Europe, so prepare the campaign, launch it in the afternoon, and then collect the data from the campaign. It's okay, but it's better to do it prepare like today, that it's Sunday, for the whole week. So the only thing I have to do is to answer the messages, set up the appointments, and do actual client work. So now I have sent 151 messages, and what we're gonna do now is to divide it into 4 more days. So yeah, let's create a new sheet and call it for the next day. So it's gonna be the 30th of June. All right. So, yeah. So yeah, this is gonna be the last day of the month. So what I'm gonna do is to put the information and get the other ones I need. So for now, we're gonna use only 50 numbers. Yeah, correct, 50. Copy and then paste. So this is gonna be for tomorrow. I will change the color so I get an order of what are the numbers I'm using. So yeah, now we're gonna use another one. So it's gonna be 2025 060701. It's gonna be next month and so on. So yeah, I'm gonna complete this and then we'll get you back. All right, so I have divided the whole list into more days. So we got tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I have no Friday because I don't have enough data. So I'm gonna use another niche for this. So after I have collected all these things for the day, so we're gonna work, for example, today with tomorrow's campaign, which is gonna be 0630. The last thing to do is to download the CSV file for that day. It's gonna be like this. Then we're gonna go into high level. So let me reload this. Okay. First thing to do is to upload the contacts. So now we're going to click here, import contacts. Import, blah, blah, blah. This is a really important step where we're gonna load the data. So washing pressure company, create an update, rate. And after this, we're gonna map the website, which is basically the Google contact where I got it. So it's gonna be website. Yep. Then, all right, this is the only thing that we need for now. So yeah. Next thing to do that is really important is to add a tag for the contact list that we're getting. Since we are adding here a specific niche from a specific source, and the campaign should go for a specific day. So the name of the tag should be divided into these three marker categories. So now what we're going to do is to create a new tag. So it's going to be Google washing. It probably allows me to create it. Google washing. And we are going to say the day for tomorrow. So it's going to be this one. As you can see, it allows you to create the collection of data. So after we create the tag, perfect. Then just to confirm, and then we start the bulk import. So now our high level will have the data for that day. It takes a little while. It's not super responsive, or it doesn't give you feedback on how the thing is going on. So as you can see now, it starts to load the quantity of data. So give me just a moment, I will get you back into this. Okay, should be done now, but just to be sure, what we're going to do is to filter by the tag. So it's gonna be, I just search for the date, so it's tomorrow campaign. It's easier, really easy to search. Click on apply, and then you get a total of 50 records. Great. Next step, we need to add it to the automation. But what's the automation? So now what we have here is, this is something I did for myself. So basically I have created a specific campaign. It's so simple. We only send 2 messages. So send one message, wait, send another message, and then the follow-ups. And of course, the automations are set up when the lead answers, it doesn't bother us anymore. So super simple. What we're going to do next is basically to add it. So we're gonna follow the previous steps that we did before. So we're going to 0630. Okay. We're getting this data. Click in here, select all records, then go to automation. And then we go Google washing 2025 0630, and then we select the workflow we have. I divided it into more, the whole workflows that you see before are the same. The only thing that changes is the copy. So really simple. If you want to do one, use variables and other things, but I do this for simplicity. So it's washing 1.0. We're ready to go. Okay. What we want to do is to send the messages not all together, but one at a time. Otherwise, the phone numbers are gonna get banned. So we don't want that. So yeah, now we are in New York City. So we're gonna send those messages tomorrow. Yeah. At 12:30. That's gonna do it earlier. So it's gonna be 12:30 in New York City. So it's gonna be 3 hours less in Houston. So it's gonna be great. Okay, don't overthink about this. Okay, batch quantity is gonna be 1 message at a time, every 1 minute. So, yeah, since we're sending only 5 messages, it's okay to leave all this here. So, what's going on here? It's that we're gonna send 50 messages in an arc of 50 minutes. So it's gonna be from 12:30 to 1:45. Or 50. I'm not really good at math, but you get the point. After we click on add into automation, it's all set, and we will start following the campaign. So the next thing that you're gonna ask is, how does a good campaign looks like, you know? So what's gonna happen is that you're gonna receive a lot of messages of answers like from go away, from not really, not everything. So yeah, now the thing that I want to share with you is that I'm doing this for myself because I'm an AI automation agency that's offering these services, but this applies to any type of service that you want. I'm just doing classic outreach. So yeah, we're gonna receive a lot of messages, a lot of sentiment, a lot of in souls. Yeah, I'm curious, I want to know. So it's going to depend on your skill on selling the actual appointment. So just to show you some metrics that I had, I'm just going for the last 12 batches that are not a lot. Actually 13. I need to collect the data from the last one. So we're gonna do it together. But yeah, as you can see, it's not really bad. So I'm getting decent reply rate, positive reply rate, and book a few appointments. I've spent no more than $200 into all this setup thing. I have also more cash to spend. So yeah, this is how it works. So yeah, let's analyze together how it went for this campaign. Same procedure. So we're gonna search for that day. So 6 in 26. All right. Yeah. So let's see how many messages I sent that day. So we're gonna 2025 06 26. That was last Thursday. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, 15 classic 50 messages. So I sent 50 messages. So let's see how many replies I got. So I've got, boom. All right. Let's see. Okay, these are linked to the other one because it went after midnight. So let's count the replies. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 replies. Yeah, 8 replies for this one. So it's basically 16% of reply rate, which is good. Then from these replies, I have got, right, just to go away, and then we got stop, no thank you, who is this number? I should recontact this person probably. So yeah, this person that called me, we talked a little bit, was not interested, but it was a positive reply. So it was just count 2 positive replies because who's that counts as a positive reply, and then no, not really, wrong number. So was a really shitty campaign, to be honest. So yeah, I just need to recontact them. But yeah, as you can see, this is how I collect data from this. So as you can see, it's kind of the sentiment of everything. As you can imagine, as it's in the micro, it's in the macro. So basically, this is how it's been going. So I got a 18% reply rate, which is not bad. 3.6667 positive reply rate, and a really low reply rate of appointment booking rate. The thing in here, which is this number so low, is because I'm still learning how, because I mean, most people that you talk on the phone, I have noticed, now I'm talking from my today's perspective, I don't know how it's gonna be in the next year or a few months. People reply good, they call you or you call them on the phone, and you need to be able to sell the call. So yeah, that's the following step that I'm really learning. So for me, even though I'm burning money, I don't care because I'm getting used to it. So that's everything how it works. So yeah, this is everything how this thing has been working. Now I need to complete the other side. But yeah, if you reach now the last part of the video, I thank you so much and hope you have a great day. Bye.